Tucked away in the green heart of County Kilkenny, near the charming town of Thomastown, lies the weathered but evocative ruin of Dysart Castle. Though not widely known, this quiet stone relic carries with it a rich and layered past, from early Christian worship to medieval power and even to philosophical enlightenment. Early Christian roots. The name Dysart comes from the Irish meaning hermitage or deserted place of retreat. This hints at the site's ancient Christian origins, likely dating as far back as the 5th or 6th century. Early Irish monks sought solitude in such places to live in contemplation and prayer. Archaeological evidence suggests that Dysart was once the location of a small monastic settlement, complete with a church and roundhouse foundations, forming part of a broader, early medieval religious landscape in the region. This early ecclesiastical role linked Dysart closely with the nearby Augustinian priory of Kells, founded in the 12th century. The connection would shape the spiritual and cultural significance of the site for centuries. The medieval castle. By the 13th or 14th century, the site had transformed with the construction of a tower house, a type of fortified residence common in medieval Ireland. Dysart Castle's limestone walls, now partially collapsed, would have once risen 2 or 3 stories high, providing both defense and domestic comfort to its inhabitants. The castle likely belonged to a local Anglo-Norman family, possibly affiliated with the powerful Butler or Fitzgerald families who dominated the region at various times. Its structure includes arrow slits, a spiral staircase, and thick masonry, features designed to protect its occupants from conflict in a volatile and factional era. Surrounding the castle, there would have been gardens, orchards, and farmland, all part of a self-sustaining estate. Today, traces of these features remain visible in the landscape, though nature has largely reclaimed the site. The Berkeley connection. Dysart Castle is perhaps best known today as the childhood home of George Berkeley, 1685–1753, the renowned Irish philosopher, theologian, and later Bishop of Cloyne. Berkeley was born near Thomastown and spent part of his early life at Dysart. The tranquility and intellectual atmosphere of the area may well have influenced his most famous philosophical ideas, including immaterialism, the belief that physical reality exists only as it is perceived by the mind. His dictum, "Es est percipi," to be is to be perceived, became a cornerstone of Western idealist philosophy and inspired later thinkers such as David Hume and Immanuel Kant. Dysart Castle, then, is not just a medieval ruin, it's also a birthplace of ideas that shaped Enlightenment thought, decline and rediscovery. Following centuries of shifting ownership, land reform and changing times, Dysart Castle gradually fell into ruin. By the 18th and 19th centuries, the tower had begun to deteriorate, its roof gone, its walls weathered by time and rain. Today, only fragments of the castle remain standing, surrounded by farmland and the quiet rhythm of rural Kilkenny. Despite its ruinous state, the site exudes an eerie majesty. Ivy wraps around crumbling stone, and birds nest in what were once halls of power and prayer. For those who visit, Dysart offers more than a photo opportunity. It offers a sense of connection to Ireland's deep, complex past. A site worth preserving. In recent decades, local interest in Dysart Castle has grown, especially due to its link with George Berkeley. Scholars, historians, and heritage groups have called for increased conservation, viewing the site as both an architectural monument and a place of cultural memory. Though it's not yet a fully developed tourist site, Dysart Castle near Thomastown is well worth a visit for those who love hidden history, medieval ruins, and the roots of great ideas. It stands today not just as a relic of stone and mortar, but as a symbol of Ireland's enduring spirit of reflection, resilience, and reverence for learning.